Long ago, Delhi NCR had not one but two rivers flowing through it. One, of course, the mighty Yamuna, and the other one, the Sahibi River, is now ecologically dead because it has turned into a nala that is called Nazafgarh Nala in Delhi region. And as you see, the black waters that are flowing into this so-called nala at the moment is an outlet for natural drainage from Gurugram. Little bit of rain in Gurugram that leads to massive flooding is also the result of this river's ecological death. Because this was a natural drain once upon a time, the waters in the region of Gurugram used to percolate down into the ground, also recharging the aquifers there. But today that's not possible because this particular river is dead and has turned into a nala due to lack of sewage treatment plants which are polluting the river and also making it impossible for the water to naturally drain from Gurugram and come towards this particular water body. Ecologically, experts are also saying that if water continues to stand in Gurugram's big high rises for many days after the rains as well, cracks would develop in the buildings. And that would be detrimentally dangerous for the people who stay in Gurugram. And the government needs to work on a war footing to recharge these water bodies so that more drains are created, more drainage systems are created so that the water can flow out of Gurugram city and into their proper reservoir path. But that seems not to be happening and will take some years until action is taken on the ecological conservation of this particular nala now, earlier known as the Sahibi River. With Ajay Thakur from Jhajjar, Milan Sharma for India Today.